I'm here in Portland, Oregon. Love this town. But you know what? I've never been up here for Mexican food. This is Güero #1 Tortas.
Pollo torta, table 9.
Everything is like 100%. They're always on their game.
You get that kind of symphony of flavor, you know, and then you feel, it's good.
Masa papa for Alec.
Today was the first time I tried the Masa Papa. It's got that like potato pancake in there.
You kind of have to figure it out, and then once you do, you're into it.
What torta are we into now?
The Masa papa.
Potato and masa?
Yeah.
Oh, so a vegetarian torta?
Yes.
Huh.
We're going to start with some mashed potatoes,
Some masarina.
salt, oil, and water.
Okay.
And we're just gonna make a sort of rustic little dough.
I feel like I'm getting a sope with potatoes in it.
It's exactly what it's like. See that? That goes down real lightly. That was just about right. Put our chili in.
Roasted down jalapeno.
Kind of get it tucked in there. Give it another smush. From here, we hand shape it.
Could you make this more difficult?
It's a salaried position.
So I'll order this a day ahead of time.
Exactly.
Make sure that somebody can have this ready to go.
We're gonna par bake it.
What temp?
350 for 20 minutes.
Got it. And what are we making here?
Roasted tamarind tomatoes.
Those are gonna go on the sandwich?
Yes. Tuck our rosemary in. This is maybe the least traditional thing we do here. Some avocado leaf that we're
Love
putting
that.
in. Habanero. Garlic. Diluted tamarind paste.
This is weird.
Bit of oil, salt, and some pepper.
Roast this off at...
375, about an hour and 20 minutes.
What are we on to next?
We're gonna make jalapeno mayo, charred chilies,
Garlic.
salt, lime juice, some mayo.
Let's see it. Okay, chef.
So we're gonna put our jalapeno mayo on first.
I can hide behind this thing.
Tortas as big as your head. That's what we're going for.
Good, well, you almost covered that.
Okay. Once our huaraches are baked off, pan fry for about a minute. Both sides going right on top.
Wow. The tamarind tomato, I think I'm feeling lucky. I'm gonna get 3. There you go.
Queso botanero. It's like queso fresco, and it's got a little chili and cilantro. Fresh onion with cilantro and lime. Slices of avocado, shredded cabbage, and pickled onion.
And that's all she wrote. That might be one of the best vegetarian Mexican tortas I've ever had. Great crunch. It's creamy. It's spicy. It's tangy. It's rich. The acidity of the pickled onion is a must. The avocado flies right in. Then you get a little bit of fat coming through from that cheese. That's dynamite any way you slice it. I'd order that every day.
Masa y papa.
It really is unique how they blend so many flavors with the jalapenos and the potatoes.